Hello everyone, so I'm just recording my big shop. I'm just showing you all the heat damage I have. So the only solution for that is cut it all off. So as you can see, my hair is pretty damaged. I'm just assessing the damage and discussing how low am I gonna go with my haircut with my barber, and we're deciding to cut a bit above the damage and then see how much can we save. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna part my hair in different sections so that it's easier to cut the excess. So because the first cut is hard, but it has to be done. So I'll just cut off the excess as much as I could and just repeated the same process throughout my whole head. And look at this mess. Oh my days, what have I done to myself? I hope we can fix this. You better be able to fix this. Okay, just keep watching and you'll see the amazing results I'm gonna get at the end. He really did a good job because I was scared once I cut off all the excess. I'm like, oh my days, maybe there's no turning back. I'm gonna have to just shave it all off. But he used a grade 0.5, I think, on the sides, and then he moved into a grade 2 and a grade 3 as well. He said that's what he did to my hair to do this kind of tapered cut. And here are the results. Look at that. It's a perfect fade. I hope it looks even better as it grows out. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.